It's the Texas weather discussion video for Wednesday, the 21st of March. I'm Donovan Neal. We basically will trend drier and warmer throughout Saturday. Saturday should be the warmest day of them all, and then an unsettled weather pattern begins on Sunday. And could the upper airflow set the stage for multi-day rain event during the latter half of next week? So let's talk about it. Here's the upper air look across the nation this morning. That trough associated with that nor'easter that's affecting parts of the northeast is actually helping to bring some cooler air into the southern plains. We can see that with the temperatures early this morning, mostly in the upper 30s to ranging from the upper 30s to the upper 80s. Arlington 38, Glen Rose 34, and some of the higher temperatures: Dallas Love Field 50, DFW 49. Across the nation, much of the cold air remains to the north of us, again, to the northeast, where most of the cold air is associated with that nor'easter and that trough. Across the watch warning map, we have freeze warnings from all of Tennessee and 2/3 of northern Alabama, and surrounding that and up to the north, we have winter weather watches and advisories for parts of the Ohio Valley, extending into the northeastern United States. Down here in the Central Plains, we remain pretty quiet. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Of course, this is the Wednesday outlook, valid through Wednesday of next week. We have troughing. We have most of the rain stays in Western California and Eastern California, and down here we still could see some big rains, especially in Oklahoma, where about 4 inches of rain is expected in northeast Oklahoma. And we'll see these amounts increase as we get closer to the latter half of next week. But down here, we could see about 1 to about 1.5 inches of rain for most spots, but places along Red River could see, of course, higher amounts. So let's talk about it. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. Valid today at 1 o'clock, actually. We have troughing to the west of us, and down here, we remain dry. It should be a nice, dry, and pleasant day, with highs in the mid-70s. And here's your nor'easter that's affecting parts of the northeast, mainly New Jersey, parts of Pennsylvania, and New York, and some of the surrounding places. Thank God we don't have to deal with that. And here's Thursday. Should be, of course, another dry day with abundant sunshine with highs in the low 80s. Actually, some places could reach low 80s. And here's Friday. Now, here's the thing. A surface low forms near Denver, sets up near Denver, Colorado. And on that, with the trailing boundary, we could see a couple of sprinkles on Friday. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw that during the afternoon hours. Again, highs should be in the low to mid 80s. And here's Saturday. That front lifts off to the east, and we should trend dry on Saturday with highs in the mid 80s. But here's Sunday. Another surface low forms near Denver, Colorado, and we have another surface front that forms along that, and with that we could see a few isolated showers and storms on Sunday. We'll check the instability values for fun, and for Sunday evening you can see values upwards of over 2,000 joules per kilogram is of course set up in north and west Texas, and of course that is obviously sufficient for a few strong to severe storms. Too early to specifically forecast any threat for severe weather, but of course that threat is there. And here's Monday of next week. And of course, we still deal with the threat for a few isolated showers and storms with highs in the upper 80s, low 80s. And here's Tuesday. Now, here's the thing. Tuesday is our big chances of rain comes. I don't think we'll see isolated, but mostly numerous showers and storms with highs in the low to mid 70s. Of course, we cool down with this. And instability values, I think strong to severe storms should not be a problem with this, since all the instability values are down to the south. And here's a week from today, Wednesday, the 28th of March. We have troughing just to the southwest of us, bringing down some sufficient moisture from the Pacific to keep a widespread rain event going in places in North Texas. And again, we should be cooling down from this with highs in the upper 60s. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Friday, the 30th of March. We have troughing to the east of us and passing along, and down here, that rain pushes off to the east. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we basically warm through Sunday, and then after that, we do drop substantially by Sunday, and really for late March. For late March into early April, we basically remain below average, and we should stay in the upper 60s to low 80s. Low 70s. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more on it in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.